Hey everyone, today I'm just going to play table games. I'm going to start with Roulette, 20p Roulette. And then I'm going to play Crazy Time, maybe some Immersive Roulette. I'll see what happens actually. 11, last number. So I'll see how I get on. I do like this game, but that's from my bookies days, which I don't tend to visit anymore. But it has the same kind of spins and stuff. Let's start with a £40 spin. Two. Yeah. Good start.
2. Black. Even. No more bets, please.
I know this one's lost. That's the thing with this game. I kind of like the spins, but not everyone does. It's around 35.
35. Black. Odd. Place your bets. No more bets, please.
It's another loser. I don't like 0. I know lots of people love it.
0. Green.
I don't often bet on it. The session balance hasn't changed. Up here.
No more bets, please. $28. Black. Even.
All blacks.
Place your bet. 20. Black. Even. Place your bets.
Well, it started off really good.
No more bets, please.
Chances. I don't think it's going past number 8. Oh, it might be 11. No. Oh, that's still good. Okay. Half as good as 11.
Red. Even. Place your bets. No more bets, please.
Chances. Could be a good one. Come on, 11. 36, I think. Yeah. £2 profits on that spin.
Red. Even. Place your bet. No more bets, please.
Okay, good. I think I'm
19.
about even. I started with 14.44. £15 down.
Place your bets. No
Until
more bets,
now.
please.
That'll do.
No
2 of these. Pawn 27, straight in. That is close. No. Not bad.
17. Black. Odd.
40 up.
Place
Can we
your
get
bets.
2 in a row?
No more bets, please.
No, we can't. Can you make it to 11? It can. It can. Oh, no, it can't. That's still good.
8. Black. Even.
Come on, 2 good ones in a row.
Place your bets. No more bets, please.
$280. Oh, I didn't have 21.
2.
Missed that for some reason.
Black. Even.
Let's go for 3 in a row.
Place your bets. No more bets, please.
No.
One. Red. Odd.
That's
Place your
enough of
bets.
that. Let's get some live games going on. Despite the really bouncy ball, I do like this game, this roulette one.
So far we have 4 black numbers in a row.
I'm thinking 4 kind of area.
How many numbers? 14 black. For view numbers, second column, second lesson. Outline section, my complement. Letting 10.
105. It climbs up really fast when you do that. 9 numbers, 25% chance then.
No, that's good.
Go on, straight in number 4. Or next door. Or not even close.
No, that's good.
Four. Oh, that skipped over. Went in 19. 360 there. Look, 19. Just totally missed that. At least I got it. Net position, £8 up on this table. $29, nice one, yeah, 18.
So we have 3 red numbers there. That's too high. Now 29 black high number from the transaction. My confidence is also one betting.
Oh, third spot.
Always black.
13. 13's £20, isn't it? Yeah, look at the way it bounces. I guess because it's going in slow motion, you just see it more. How's that? Is in the lead.
No, that's good.
24. Is that more than 220? I don't know who that is.
So the number from outline section will be known 3 times in a row.
Yeah, just.
Reverse, please. No, that's good.
26. 0 was a million times better, but 26 is still good. Really good, actually.
Excuse me.
600.
Now on the number 26 black, hide the number from 0 to the section.
25. 25. Oh, 30, 34, still got it. Whew. I did have 6, only just. Went in 25 for a minute. No, it didn't. 28. 31. Nice hit. 720. Stop dead there, look. Straight in there.
Should receive a number 5 times 0. It's 31 black, hide 11 black is called number, lowest, second column, first dozen, and confidence to leave them score, setting them. One second. No, that's good.
Final spin. Come on, 9. Oh, yes! What a shot! It's 1400, isn't it? Thought it's staying in 22. It does. How did it make it over? Glad it did. Oh, excellent. Go on, double.
No, that's good luck.
That's still really good.
Three of numbers in your
Look at it. Lingering above 9.
Now all is done. 18 rabbits, half number from the section below the evening.
2500 up.
Dividends betting time. No, that's good.
Go on, 3 in a row. It's close. Oh my god! That's fine. Look at 9, £60 on it. That's 900.
So it was low number 3 times 0 so far. Now the number is 31 black, high number from our section my compliments to those seven.
Let's go and put a few more on 22. Go on, 9. Ah, could have bounced the other way there. There was a slight chance right to the last second. Look. What a fantastic run. 3,000. Oh, that'll change actually, won't it? Still about 2,900 up on this game.
So it's 35 black, high number from 0 to section my compliments to dividends well. No, that's good.
11. That's enough of that. I'm just looking on here. It tells you how many players there are. Not on roulette. But look, 7,800 on Crazy Time. And then 122 on Gonzo's Treasure Hunt. That is clearly the least popular. Let's go for Crazy Time. Oh no! Add all crap. Look, times 15. Whenever I log into this, it's always on a bonus. You'd be gutted with that times 15. It's really crap. Let's play this for a bit. I'll just show you the bonuses. Hopefully there will be some. I might adjust a bit every now and then. Oh, go on, times 10. £400. That's near that 10. No, it's not. It's near Cash Hunt. I guess it was near Cash Hunt. Oh, a bonus at last. It's cost 1,000. I was going to play it down to 3,000. It's still just a coin flip. I've never seen a high multiplier on this off the basic. Can it do a times 100? I've never seen it. Red. Not even money back from the bet. Enough for exactly 2 more spins. I know I was up well. I'm still in profit, but this game, you know, it's just a bit... If you're on a bad run, then it eats your balance if you don't get any bonuses.
I just remembered something funny, you know. Yeah. Something funny.
Yeah, Cash Hunt, £25 on it. Okay. This is my favourite bonus. I'm going to go for this spot here. Nah, this spot. There's 1 times 100 there. It's a couple of times 50s, I think. Oh, my mouse moved, didn't it? Of course, the screen. Okay, that must be a sign to go for this spot. So I'm going for the cactus. Originally I was going for this one, but now I'm going for that. 100, come on. If only 1 times 100 on there, it's going to be. Oh, well, I'm glad I moved it. He didn't know what to do then, did he? Let's watch the chat, because people who bet up there. He'll just ignore that.
The bets are closed. The bets are closed. I found an apple, right? Some sort of around 2x.
Double Cash Hunt. It is! 3 bonuses in a row. Come on.
Challenging us again. Let's go. You know, I accept the challenge. I accept the challenge, you know. Why not? Back-to-back cash hunt.
Come on, do a 500. I've never seen the 500 in there.
100x.
Nah, still just 100. I'm thinking up here, where the screen broke. Second from top. A duck. I think that's a duck.
Alright, pick one of the symbols. I mean, if you know which one is the 100x, just pick that one, okay? If you have found a way how to tell which one is the 100x.
Shoot the duck. Oh, yeah, shit.
100x right there. We have 9 players for the 100x.
Decent spin. 375 down times 10 was rubbish. This might be my last spin. Cash hunt's coming round. It's gone past that times 10. Stop. Yes. What a great run. I think I'm about even. Let's have a look down slightly. Oh no, £10 up. No, I'm not. 100 down on this game. 4 in a row, I've had. I'll give it one more spin. £80. Pachinko. Yeah, coin flip be alright. That's crazy time. That's not. Okay. 300 down. On crazy time. Let's try some lightning roulette. Oh, the 150 came in. There we go.
Now the time is off. I mean,
Oh, he's so much louder than the other guy. So the numbers pay 30 to 1 unless you get a lightning number. I've not got any of them anyway. Still want the numbers to hit, of course.
we got 15. We got 15 right now.
Next order 32. I reckon a lot of people would have had 32 because they like
455.
zero neighbours.
I'm sure that this is the right time for you, because it might not be the right time for everyone. So make sure that you're lucky enough to win. What we have here is 4 lights. We got 9, 10, 20, and 36, hundreds, and 50 and 10.
Yeah, 36.
We got 36. That's
Oh,
gorgeous.
exactly 1,000.
That's a gorgeous 100x on 36, Jack. Third does the third calling to your section.
Oh, I'm still down on this. Didn't realise I was so far behind on it.
Yeah, but in a good way. We got 7, 11, 12, 13, 29, 22.
Oh, 11. 11 or 13. It's close. That is close. That's not. 12.
12 now, 200x. Yes, sir. We got more than one lightning convenience. So we have what?
That's a good hit for some people.
4 lightnings in a session. I think 4 lightnings. Yeah. And of course, autoplay option as well. Always.
Final spin unless it hits.
I personally think autoplay option is a cool thing to use from time to time in certain situations when you actually feel like you need one. So
Yeah, 2 or 6. Any that side. It's like in that
29.
area, isn't it? Bit of a bump on that one. I'm going to finish the last game on Immersive Roulette. Right, then let's do down the bottom. $30, I think. Right, 33% chance of it coming in.
this round winning number is 7 red. Odds low number from first come, first dozen. Congratulations to the winners and new batting. Let's go, let's go.
13's massive. It's more than 27, I think.
So this round winning
Yeah, about £6 more.
First come and second dozen. Congratulations and good luck in next round and new batting time. And hello newcomers, welcome, nice to see you. Baza klasa wyszedł.
Double. I'm going to repeat the bet.
Winning number is 2 black. Even the number for second color verse doesn't. Congratulations to the winners and good luck next round and batting time. Please place for new bets. Letting time is over a good one.
That's 2 big losing bets.
So this round winning number is 3, 5 black, odds high number from second column and third dozen. My congratulations and good luck in next round. Ready. That's a close move.
Oh my god. Damn.
Ladies and gentlemen, this round winning number is 15 black, odds low number. From third column, second dozen calls number. Congratulations, good luck in next round batting time. That's close, I wish I could.
About 550 up on the entire session, but I was up loads. Come on. No, that would have lost either way. I'm going to leave it. That hasn't gone down yet. I guess the spin hasn't finished. There we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm going to call it a day because that's getting rather tilting and I am 550 up. I did have a peak around 2,000. 2,500, wasn't it? You never know the peak though until it's not the peak anymore. Thanks for watching. See you later.